In this video, we will first create an NDepend project and generate a web report about the orchardcore.net codebase. Then we will configure the NDepend project to enrich the report. We will also explain how to generate such a report from your continuous integration process by invoking NDepend.Console.exe on the project file. Start VisualNDepend and create a new project file. This can also be done from the Visual Studio extension and from NDepend Console on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS with the CP switch. For more details, please see the link in the video description. Next, add one or several .NET solutions to the project properties under Code to Analyze. Then click Run Analysis and Generate Report to create the report. Et voilà! Before we delve into the report, let's update the project properties to ensure a comprehensive scan of all aspects of the .NET code's quality and security. We'll set up a baseline, import code coverage results, and integrate issues generated from the Roslyn analyzers. In the Analysis tab of the project properties, let's define the baseline to compare against. Here we have prepared a baseline project that scanned a previous version of Orchard Core, but you can also choose to compare against a past snapshot of the current project. Next, let's specify the directory that contains the coverage files obtained from running tests with your preferred .NET coverage tool. Finally, to obtain JSON files containing issues generated by the Roslyn analyzers, simply insert this errorlog XML tag in your directory build props file and create a directory named .serif within the solution root directory. This directory will hold the JSON files generated after the next compilation of the solution, and NDepend will read those files at analysis time. In the Paths Reference tab, we can see that files and directories referenced are relative to the location of the NDepend project file. This relative referencing makes the NDepend project file suitable for committing to your source base. Now that the project has been modified, let's regenerate the report. This time, let's use NDepend.Console.exe. NDepend Console also exists as a .NET DLL that can be invoked on Linux or Mac OS. NDepend Console returns a non-zero exit code if one or several quality gates fail, making it easy to break the build based on your quality and security criteria. The report generation process only takes a few seconds and outputs a lightweight web report, which can be shared and uploaded anywhere. The Overview tab contains diagrams and a dashboard that summarizes code quality metrics like technical debt estimation, quality gates status, or the amount of issues. The Issues tab shows issues per source files with a column dedicated to new issues introduced since the baseline. You can sort source files, search by file name, and open their content. This view shows source diff since the baseline, issues with their explanations. New issues since the baseline are highlighted. We can also see which line of code is covered or not, and technical debt estimations. The Project tab lists projects along with their metrics, number of issues, code coverage, number of types, and more. Clicking a project selects its source files in the Issues tab. The Rules tab shows NDepend code rules and Roslyn analyzers violated. Clicking a rule shows its issues. Clicking an issue lets us open it in source code. The Quality Gates tab shows their status. Clicking a quality gate shows its description. The Trend tab shows trend charts obtained with time. The Logs tab lists analysis logs, which can be helpful for identifying eventual problems at analysis time. Finally, NDepend offers a GitHub action and a TeamCity plugin for generating reports. Additionally, a fully fledged Azure DevOps extension is available. We provide comprehensive documentation on how to invoke NDepend.Console and generate reports from Jenkins, Bamboo, AppVeyor, and other CI/CD technologies.